got a supervisor. Hey, Olive? Where's your supervisor? Chris has me busting my butt today. We are taking out a whole bunch of trees that had fallen down and collecting them in spots that are super accessible so that we can come back in the winter and get them for sawmilling. It's a lot of work. How long do you think it is?
I don't know, where's your measure thing on there?
Oh, good idea. I totally lost count at how many trees we've gathered up. There's a whole bunch on the trail. There's a whole bunch on the other side of this big hill. Like thousands of board feet for sure. Which is super exciting because we're gonna build some super cool things. Chris is bringing this monster log up. I measured it up with my app, which I know probably isn't super accurate, but it was 19 meters. And that was just the middle section because the top had to come off first and it was another 7. And there's probably another 10 meters in the bush. So it's actually too big on the one end to make it to the sawmill, make it through the sawmill. And Chris is trying to drag it up the hill with that big 510 John Deere hoe and it's struggling. So we might have to cut it up. It might just be too big to take in one piece. I guess we'll see. That's a big hole, like a big friggin' hole. Some serious board feet there in the niche.
Yeah, thanks for your help.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Good teamwork today.
How many boards do you think we could make?
A lot. What about those ones?
Hundreds and hundreds. Yes, there's more. We're just pumped about all the work we made ourselves for the winter. Woohoo! More work!
Work till you die.
Work till you die. Are you just gonna work me to death?
I sure try.
I'll sure try. this dangerous tree removal service. Crazy.